Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you on the dyno stand we have one of our 408 cubic inch 360 Chrysler motors, and man, has this thing come out awesome looking. Let me give you a little bit how we got this one set up and build wise. We started out with the 360 Magnum block. It's got the Eagle forged crank, HBM rods, and Moly forged pistons. We did a nice custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft by Comp. It's got the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum cylinder heads on here with the stainless steel roller rockers and the Manley push rods. This gentleman chose to go with the March alternator power steering serpentine kit, which really offset this motor beautifully. For the induction, we went with the Phytech EFI, which showed to prove some really nice horsepower with this motor and throttle response. If you're interested in a combination like this, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over a dyno run. I know you guys will really enjoy it.